Hey, what is up guys? So today in this video we'll be talking about one of the finest wallpaper application, Drop. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Here is the first UI of a Drop application. You will get collection, all and favorites, and in all there are probably every category is present, and in collection you will find so many of collected particular photographs like for cartoon, lights, 3D, abstract, android, celebrities, and etc. If you want to know more, you should download the application and check out the thing. So basically I just jumped into abstract thing because I love abstract, and this was the first abstract that I downloaded and applied to my smartphone just to check whether it's a finest thing or not, because I don't go to Google and search for every particular wallpaper that I want to apply in my smartphone. I just found this application on Play Store and installed and checked. Here is the result of that thing. That was pretty cool, and in collection, as I told you, there are pretty everything that is collected right now. If you check these things, this is slightly animation things into applications too, so you will feel very comfortable while using this application. As I love abstracts, that was the second abstract that I downloaded and installed in my phone, and it is now the permanent wallpaper of my smartphone. So basically this is the simplest thing that you can do and you can use on your own smartphone. If you go into settings, you have other things too, like you can check out the transparent or AMOLED background. There are color navigation for wallpaper columns, enable animations or not. Like if you don't want animations out there, you can simply hide those things, and if you want more columns so that you can get more previews in just same time, you can do that too. But I love the two columns things, and I just did that thing as a permanent setting so that I can preview, I can see the every wallpaper very clearly, even in not downloading, and save the data. Coming next, here is the result of that abstract that I am right now using on my smartphone. You can download the application from the link in the description. And don't forget to rate the application, because it is the application that a developer has made, and it's free for everyone, so it's our right to give them some motivation just by rating it 5. And check the application and let us know how many favorite wallpapers you have found in the collection things or in the all things. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and drop the comments in comment section so that we'll get to know that you people actually love the wallpapers from this collection of the application. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Peace out.